This is www.grdatabase.com, and it's a database program. I'm going to log in. I'm going to create an account, and when I do, I'm going to add a database of over 3,000 books online in this live system. So I create an account. It's just a dummy account, though it's really live. It's not really dummy. Okay, you'll want an email address for your account. Once I supply that and save changes, then I have a database with 3 pre-made databases. So I'm going to use this books database. I'm going to import. I have a CSV file on my local drive. I'm going to load this file. I'm going to, on my documents, this is the file, and now it has to load it. This is a 1.2 megabyte file, and it has to load it up to the server. So this will probably take about 20 seconds. This is probably the longest part of this whole process. Once it's loaded, we'll have a table here which will show the headers and the values of your file. Okay, there it is. It shows item ID, title. So once you're sure that your file loaded properly, then you say the above table is correct. When it's correct, you close this message window. Now you have all your CSV fields. If they're on the left, it means they're not common to the database fields, and if they're on the right, it means they are. And we have these fields we want to add. So we're going to take this edit group from the top and open the window, and we're going to add 2 groups. You place your fields in these groups just to organize them for when you edit them. We're going to put a purchase info group and a sold info group. And we'll just shut this one, and we'll open both of these brand new groups that we got because the original database didn't have them. Okay, we're in the sold info, so we're going to go over here and double click on these fields. We're going to add the sold place, sold date, sold amount, net amount, shipping charged, shipping actual, PayPal fees, and commissions. Now we're going to go to the purchase info. Once we make this highlighted, we can go to enter the purchase place, purchase city, date, purchase city, and purchase amount. On the date shipped, we'll highlight that. We've sold info again, double click on date shipped. Okay, once we have all of this added to the database that we want, all the fields that we won't add all of them because we figure we're not interested in these. So once we have them all in there, then we say, write imported records to the database. This is going to take all the records from your CSV file and put them into the database. Okay, you see that there's 3,123 records added and 0 replaced. So we close this message window. We'll close our import window. And you can see in the background now, here's all of the records in this table. They're sortable. You can sort by title. You can search, but you can also edit now. So when you pick this book and say edit, you're editing a record that's already live. It's already up there. Okay, it shows you the edit fields. We're going to change the author of this to Robert E. Persig. So, and we save changes. And this is record 5601. When we close it, we can see in record, we'll search for 5601. And there it is, and you see that the author's changed in real time. Now we go to our database properties. On this newly created database, we can say make this database public, and we get a link. We'll save the changes. We have a link that you can put in your own web pages or send to somebody else that will send people to your newly created database. And so here's your newly created database. That's all yours. Thanks for watching, and it looked like it took a little bit under 5 minutes. Thank you a lot. Bye.